Hi friends, now you see the unboxing of YJ Yulong version 2 magnetic puzzle. And this is the YJ pamphlet, the solving guide. And I got the cube stand and I forgot to show you in that unboxing. And this is the Cubalello's cube stand. And I get this Cubalello bill. And this is the card Cubalello has given. Seeing the shades of the cube are nice, it's vibrant, and it's nice to see. It's good. So now let's do some moves. It's giving some snappy sounds, but that's nice to hear. I love the snappy sounds. So okay, now let's do some pattern to check the color. And it's nice to see the colors. And it's vibrant, I said already. Nice. I can feel the magnets when I turning the cube, and it's nice. And let's do a corner cutting. 45 degree, it's nice. Snappy sounds. So it sometimes corner cutting beyond 45 degree, like 46, 48, and that's cool. When we are turning the cube, it provides snappy sound and I can feel the magnets inside it, and that was awesome. Okay, let's do another pattern. Okay, it's nice. It's nice to turn the middle layers. It was satisfying. This is nice. It's cool. So now let's see the specs of this cube. So before seeing the specs, let's see its box. Let's take a look of this box. So it's flashy. It's shiny. The highlighting thing of the unboxing is its box, because it's catchy look, and they're giving the YJ brand. Let's see the main specs. It's 56mm and it weighs 2.6 ounces or 191 grams, and it's a magnetic puzzle. It comes from both black and stickerless, and it costs $8, and it's YJ. So let's see the pieces. So in the pieces they have provided the friction grooves or ridges in the both edges and corners to get a smoother turning cube. So they also provided in the corners. Take a look. You can see the grooves there. Finally, this is the awesome cube. It's worth your money. So stay tuned. Happy cubing. Thank you for watching.